Welcome back, Tectonians. This is going to be a little different video than what I usually make. This is not a review or an unboxing. This is how to sticker wrap your MacBook Pro 16-inch. I decided to sticker bomb the MacBook just as a cool, fun project. And I found the stickers on Amazon. All the links will be down in the description for the sticker packs. It's like 150 stickers for 10 bucks and you get Michael Jordan, Supreme, some cars, Star Wars, etc. But let's get started. So first off, find a wet wipe or a spray and clean the top of the surface of your MacBook, just so there's no little bubbles forming later on the stickers and the stickers are not falling off because the dust got stuck to them. Then figure out how you want the background of your MacBook to look like. I decided to go with bigger stickers at the back, so I get more landscape to put smaller stickers and everything will be sticking out from under it. And you will see what I'm talking about. So as you could see, I'm putting bigger stickers on. And then once you put on some stickers, get a knife or anything that cuts anything sharply and precise, and don't be afraid to just cut in. The MacBook does not really scratch, and if you do it carefully, the sticker easily peels off or cuts off at the corners and comes out really smooth. Now just easily cut everything around. Don't be afraid, like I said. And let me roll you guys a time lapse and show you how I apply all the stickers, and then I'll talk about it later on again. Well, Techatonians, hopefully you enjoyed that little time lapse. And as you could see, you have to plan your stickers prior to applying it. The stickers you want to be all the way on top should be applied last, and the bigger stickers should be on the bottom to give it that background look. And as you could see, I didn't film it, but I used the same exact knife and cut right down everywhere around the edges. Yes, there's a little bits of like scraps and stuff, but I used the sandpaper later on and everything smoothed out. Comes out really nice, gives you the unique look. I got a lot of comments and compliments about this. So yeah, links will be down in the description for the stickers. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up, comment below if you're gonna do the same thing, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.